Hello everybody. Today we're going to make one of my favorite fonts called block letters. These block letters are special because we're going to learn how to make them look more 3D. Something that I love to do when I'm making any kind of font is I like to start off in pencil in case I make a mistake. So the first thing you want to decide is what word you're going to write. Once you decide the word, you're going to decide whether you're going to go left with your 3D block letters or right with your 3D block letters, and I'll explain a little bit more in a minute. So I'm going to choose the word hello. The trick to block letters is making sure that each part of your letter either looks like a rectangle or a square. The longer parts of your word will look like a rectangle. Shorter parts tend to look like a square. Longer part rectangle, so that's my H. Longer part rectangle, all these shorter areas that the E breaks off to will look more like squares. I'm choosing the word hello. Rectangle, square. The whole purpose of choosing rectangle or square is because block letters are going to look a little bit boxy rather than rounded. So even my O, I'm making look like a big rectangle. Okay, so once you did your best writing out a word kind of boxy like, now we're going to make it look 3D. The major trick is deciding, will my letters be 3D going left or will they be 3D going right? Now, in order to tell left and right, you could do the L trick where the hand that makes an L is left. I'm going to actually decide to make my hello go left. In order to do this, and I'm going to do this with red, on each part of the letter that can go left, I'm going to make a small diagonal, or like we like to call slanted, line, and all of them will connect in the end. So I'm doing it in red. Everywhere I can go left, I'm going to make a small little diagonal line going left. Now this includes all corners we can go left on. Sometimes we might miss, and that's okay. We could just go back in later. Now for those of you who have taken 3rd grade perspective drawing, making the neighborhoods, you might get a really strong grasp at this. If you haven't, that's okay too. It just takes a little bit of practice. Now the key is to connect all of these to look like 3D shapes. So it's just all about connecting. Connecting on this side, connecting under, connecting, connecting, connecting wherever you can. And I'm gonna go slow. Connect, 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 and connect. Now this is an example of block 3D letters going this way. I'm going to now give you a demonstration on how to make 3D block letters going the other way. So this time I'm going to write the word bye. And again, I'm going to want to write the word bye looking kind of boxy because the whole spirit of these letters is looking rather box, like a bunch of 3D rectangles or squares. That means I'm not really focusing on any roundy kind of words right now. B-Y-E, bye. Okay, so instead of going this way with my letters, I'm going to go this way. This time, I'm actually gonna try to outline my letters in blue. So every time I can go right, I'm gonna go right. Oh, I could go right here. I can go right here, and here, and here, 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 here. Every opportunity I have to go right, I'm going to make sure that I take it. And you might figure out some areas where maybe you could have gone right. And that's okay if you have to catch up a little bit later. So I just went right everywhere I could. Let's see if I got all of them. Connect, connect. Oh, I missed one. Ha ha. Connect. Whatever feels right to you is usually the right way to go. This is a very fun project, and it's a really cool kind of way to get used to the whole 3D feel of it. Okay. Every time I can connect, I'm going to connect those sides. Sometimes you have to fill in the empty spaces with verticals or horizontals. And that is how you make 3D shapes. Hello is 3D this way. Bye is 3D that way. Thank you for joining, and I hope you enjoy.